Hey everyone, my name is Jared Kinchin. I am the chairman of the board for Makarios. And the board, on behalf of Makarios, we are all honored to be a part of this team. But we are coming to you today with some sad news. Saturday, April 11th, during the day, the rains up in the mountains. For those of you that know where Makarios is in Montellano, the rain up in the mountains began to flood the rivers. And by nightfall, the water was roughly 11 foot here in Makarios. And so, major flood, one of the worst, that they've had historically in this particular region. My aim is to show you guys some of the devastation that we've seen here. We definitely need help. Financial support in this time is definitely going to go far. The entire community is affected. Many of the surrounding communities were flooded. Some lost everything. You're familiar with where we're at on the hill coming up from the river. So if it was 11 feet here, if you're familiar with the soccer fields were underwater. Water got all the way to the main highway and was flowing over the highway. So a lot of water, a lot of devastation in this area. So, would love prayer. Prayer always is a huge benefit and a blessing to this ministry. But if you are able and you have the ability to support Makarios in this time, you're not just supporting school, you're supporting all of the community that we serve.